Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel Art E Pics. I am Payal. Today in this video I'm going to unboxing my new art supply Camelin Kokuyo 24 set brush pen. I brought it from Amazon. You can buy it from any online shop or you can buy it from your local market. You can see this is a very huge box and it's a huge packaging. So without further delaying, let's open it. I'm really excited to open it in front of you all. So let's start it. Look at this. Very cute and yellow box. Oh my god, look at these colors, so vivid, so cute color. Let's open it from here. Okay, wow, awesome colors. Look at the colors. It's a Camelin Brush Pen. So these are the colors available in this box, and box price is 400 rupees, but I brought it from Amazon with 350 rupees. So I will give you the purchase link in my description box. You can check it out. You can buy it from there or you can buy it from your local store. Oh my god, this plastic. Wow, exactly, very good in shape. You can easily just grab this pen in your hand, no problem will be there. Let's start some drawing with it. Let's see how it works. Okay, this is the pink, I think is the dark shade. One thing is a disadvantage for using this pen, that no pen color or color code is not written on this pen. But the paints are very smooth, the tips is very soft, smooth, pointy. Let's draw something with these paints. Yes, I can easily draw, make point with these paints. There is no problem using it. It's a light green shade. So I will show you how to use this pen in my next upcoming videos. So please keep watching my next videos. If you like them, please give them a thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment below. And if you don't want to miss any of my next videos, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.